Unless you're buying exclusively organic fruits and vegetables, thoroughly washing the produce you buy is pretty important. Swedish researchers recently proved that insecticides, fungicides, and plant growth regulators can build up in the bodies of children and adults. Yet just a 2-week break from pesticide-laden food sees the urinary levels of these chemicals fall to almost zero. Washing your fruits and vegetables remains one of the best ways to protect yourself and your family from illnesses and chemical contamination. Here are a number of ways which you can effectively wash and handle your fruits and vegetables. 1. Saltwater solution. Using a saltwater solution to wash your produce may remove even further residues than water alone. Mix 2 teaspoons of salt into 4 cups of warm water and stir to dissolve. Once cooled, soak the produce for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing and scrubbing under cold water. This method isn't ideal for fragile fruits like berries, which can be damaged by the soak and end up tasting of salt. For these, a simple cold water soak and rinse is best. 2. Vinegar soak. The vinegar soak is an alternative to salt water. If you don't have vinegar, lemon juice will also do the trick. Fill a large bowl with 4 parts water and 1 part vinegar. Soak your fruits and vegetables in this for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing and scrubbing thoroughly with cold water. This process will also keep your food fresh for longer and avoid spoilage. It's win-win. 3. Homemade fruit and vegetable spray. For those times when you're in a hurry, this spray is the next best thing to a salt or vinegar soak. In a glass spray bottle, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 cup of water. Shake vigorously before generously spraying onto your produce. Rub for 30 seconds by hand or with a vegetable brush and rinse thoroughly in cold water. While these natural cleaning tips will certainly help to reduce the amount of pesticides you ingest, no washing method is 100% effective for removing all pesticide residues. The only way to ensure you are not being exposed to hazardous chemicals is to buy organic food or grow your own.